But of course, we do begin with the latest on the Omicron variant. Late today, the CDC strengthening its guidance on booster shots, saying everyone 18 years and older needs one. Of course, it's the president working to reassure the country that the vaccine is the best tool against this new variant. And with a new travel ban in effect for several South African countries, NewsNation correspondent Kelly Meyer live from the White House for us. Kelly, tell us how the Biden administration handling this new variant threat.
Good evening, Nichole. Well, the president said today they are learning more and more about this new variant every day. The White House promising to fight this with speed, not chaos. This as more and more countries are confirming new cases.
Good morning, folks.
President Biden bracing for the arrival of Omicron in the U.S.
This variant is a cause for concern, not a cause for panic.
Biden trying to ease Americans' worries, promising no more shutdowns or lockdowns for now, as the World Health Organization warns the global risk is very high. Countries from South Africa to the U.K. to Canada all reporting confirmed cases. Dr. Anthony Fauci says current tests are already in place to detect the variant before it breaks into the U.S.
The PCRs that we mostly use would pick up this very unusual variant that has a real large constellation of mutations.
As of Monday, the U.S. has banned travel from 8 African countries where cases of the new variant were first detected, although we don't know where Omicron originated. The president saying Monday the restrictions give Americans more time to get vaccinated, even though questions remain on how much protection the vaccine will provide against the latest strain.
Dr. Fauci believes that the current vaccines provide at least some protection against the new variant, and the boosters strengthen that protection significantly.
Pfizer says this variant differs significantly from earlier ones. The company says they expect more data in the next 2 weeks and can adapt the vaccine within 6 weeks if needed.
And President Biden today continued to urge Americans to wear masks indoors and in crowded places, but stopped short of calling on states to issue new mask mandates. Nichole?
All right, so from mask mandates to those vaccine mandates, we know a federal judge blocked the administration from enforcing a vaccine mandate for healthcare workers in 10 states. So what did the White House say about that today, and how does the president then try to plan to ensure Americans get vaccinated?
Well, the White House says they are going to follow the rules, but they say they are also going to push back on efforts that prevent people from protecting themselves against the virus. The president said multiple times today that the best protection against this new variant is getting vaccinated and getting the booster shot. Nichole?
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.